Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a Komelon. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I've had this one, which is basically the same as this one, but if you are a DIYer like I am, you are always looking for a tape measure. I love this one just for the fact that if I bring it up close enough and we get a good focus, so you can see how it breaks each inch down. So you get the eighth, the quarter, the 3/8, half, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8. Makes measuring stuff a dream. I know some people come from the old school of you should know what each mark is. Man, I have so much going on. Sometimes I totally forget where the 8th mark is, let alone the 16th or the half sometimes. So anyway, this is a great tape measure, and in fact, so much so, I have a third one somewhere. Again, that's why you buy a whole bunch of these. And so again, another cool feature. You pull it out, it stays there. This is for retracting, and obviously, you don't like let it swing all the way back. That's how you break your tape measures. But I mean, this is you can tell the difference in just kind of like all the nicks and marks and stuff on this one and how dull this one is. I use this all the time. I love it. It's got a belt clip on there. It's 12 feet. Again, that's the old one. It measures out to 12 feet, self-locking, which is fantastic. Easy to read, easy to use. And again, if you've ever seen that little trick, this is actually kind of like an eraser edge. So if you mark some pencil down on, I'm kind of looking around for a pencil on a piece of wood, but if you have a mark on a piece of wood that you mark down with pencil, you can use this end as an eraser, which is like pretty awesome. Again, absolutely love this, and I know I'm going on and on about like a tape measure, but honestly, this is my go-to tape measure. I bring one with me everywhere. I needed to have one basically hanging out in the shop, so when I have this on my pants pocket, I know what's going on. Usually what happens, oh, I know where the third one is. It's in my work truck. Usually what happens is I'll sit in a work truck and I'll be driving for a little while, and then I'm just like, messing around. I'm pulling the tape measure out, putting it back, blah, blah. And it ends up, I leave it in that little utility part in the middle of your pickup truck. But anyway, so yeah, absolutely love these things. They do come in longer lengths as well. 12 foot's kind of like my go-to, easy to carry around. So I have 3. The other one's in my work truck. I'm probably going to pick up 2 more just because I want to keep one in the house so I don't have to run out into the garage studio to grab one. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and stay safe.